I think since we haven't had one in years, people are finally going to be able to see how diverse our school really is, and we're going to be able to showcase that through our performances. Stressed, but also excited because, again, like, we're finally going to be coming together as a school and showcasing all of our diversity on campus. Because I have an amazing team, so Ms. Tober, Anaya, Jamie, Vicky, and Angie, like, they've all been really helpful, and without them, this wouldn't have been possible. I think, again, because we haven't had one, like, we don't really know what a multicultural assembly actually looks like. And I think finally being able to see that, we're going to be able to celebrate each other a little bit more. It's so long since we've come together as a school. I think our community is going to appreciate the fact that we have such a diverse campus a little bit more. And I think our performances are really going to show that. Because it's not just cultural clubs performing, like, it's creative writing as well, creative writing and theater. I think there's just more people who are willing to participate and more people who are willing to showcase their identity.
Hi, I'm Tuddao. I'm a senior here at Manteca High, and I am AP. I'm Manteca's vice president. I'm just very excited. It's a good opportunity for all of the cultural clubs to come together and to just show the school like what we do in the backgrounds and why we do it, where we come from. And I'm pretty sure this is the first one since before COVID too. So it's really special. It is very, I guess, stressful in a way, but it's like a good stress. Like, I enjoy it because it gives API a chance to just show people what we're made of and what we do. But at the same time, it does get overwhelming because there's a lot of pressure and there's a lot of, I guess, at stake because we want this to continue. We don't want it to stop again. So if we, I guess my mindset is if we do good this year, it'll keep continuing and thriving. So I feel like there's a lot of kids hidden and not hidden in a way, but they hide their talents and they hide what they like and what they like to do. For API, we show through our expression through dance. So I know that there's a lot of dancers on campus, but they don't want to, I guess, open up or say anything. So I feel like this is a good event to just, even if you're not Asian or Pacific Islander, you can still join. So I feel like this is a good time to just show kids like, hey, like, this is what we do. If you're interested, you guys can come. And especially since there's a lot of us, especially with other schools, we partner with East Union and Sierra. So I feel like if there's like a majority of us, especially since as a minority, I feel like it'll inspire those who want to come and pursue dance or even just to become part of a really loving community. Yeah, I hope that it goes well. I'm sure it will. I guess right now, since we're under the, I guess, the pressure and like the nervousness, we have like the little butterflies in our stomach about it, thinking that the whole school's gonna be there. But I feel like once we get the groove of it, especially since all of us have a love for music, a love for dance, and we have people supporting us. Even if you're in API and you don't dance, they still have the spirit. They still have, I guess, that support that they'll always give us, and I think we'll be fine because we practice a lot. We practice almost every day for the past 4 weeks. So I would hope that we do good because we worked really hard for it. Yeah.